Okay, let's try something different.
Yan, so tatry naman po natin ngayon guys. Ito pong MC Lakers na pina-updated po ng 2K25. Ito pong MC Lakers 5. At kung mapansin nyo guys, unlimited na rin po yung VC nyan guys. No? So sige na nga po, itry na nga po natin itong MC Lakers 5. Okay. Yan, try tayo ng isang game dito. Ito po. Natin yung advance. Kung mapapansin nyo po guys, Lakers versus Clippers po yan. No? So click natin to play. Yun na po guys, Los Angeles Lakers versus Clippers. Angas na ito guys, let's go.
Thanks everyone for joining us here in the start of a new season.
Pinapanguna po ng Lakers ni Angel Russell. Okay. Anthony Davis guys, oh. Siyempre nandito na si LeBron James sa Christian Wood. Angas nito guys, let's go. Chris Dunn naman po sa Clippers. James Harden, oh. Grabe, nakakatakot naman yan. Mohamed Bamba. Yan yung Kawhi Leonard do sa Nicholas Batum. Ayan na. Okay, let's go. Umpisa na natin ang isang napakagandang game guys, no? Sobrang solid na ito guys. Let's go. Match up. Okay, so tonight, okay, Lakers versus Clippers. Hey! Sa kanila ang bola guys. Oops. Asa. Uy!
And it's Anthony Davis with the rebound.
Hey!
Well, that's a surprising miss right there. He usually feasts on those wide open opportunities.
Sa akin dito.
LeBron,
Ito.
left side.
Yung sa akin. Pasa mo sa akin dito. Ay!
Here's another thing I've noticed. You know, sometimes at the
Oh,
defensive
kasama ni
end, he'll come out
LeBron.
of nowhere to make a play on the ball, blocking a shot from behind when the shooter had no idea he was there.
Ay!
The Lakers on D.
Mas dito. Pasa mo sa akin dito. Laban pala yan.
From downtown.
Uy! Dito, pasa mo sa akin dito. Ito.
Oh, hammered.
Grabe, yung baho ni LeBron, o ayaw pasahan ni LeBron.
This is his first free throw of the game.
Nice one. Lamang tayo guys, lamang. Ito na LeBron, ikaw nang mahusay. Sige na. Hey, nice one.
Some tough
Box out lang guys, box out.
Yeah, they need a basket.
Box out lang, box out.
Momentum here, Kevin.
Pass to Leonard. Here is Harden.
Oops, sayang, hindi ko na
Puts it up.
Oh, nice one. Pasa nyo sa akin.
And you know why he was open there. They didn't
Nice
commit too much
naman.
defense to him, and you can see why. He has trouble making that shot.
Nice one. Hey! Angas.
About a minute and a half through the first quarter.
Angas nun guys. Oops. Uy! Pasa nyo sa akin.
It's off the rim.
Pasa nyo
I
sa
think the
akin.
defense got lucky right there. I mean, he's going to make a lot more of those than he misses when he's got that much room.
Ito nga.
On D. You know what? Here's Wood.
Uy, pumasok pa rin.
If you battle for the offensive rebound,
Kaharang kasi yung recorder na hatin.
guaranteed a high quality shot.
Hindi ko tuloy nakita.
Follow just like he got there.
Ito nga muna.
Pass to Harden.
Pam!
Finishes nicely on the layup.
Grabe naman yun, sir.
Here is Russell.
Dito. Pass mo sa akin. Nice.
Goes up to the stripe. Off the left rim and out.
Sumablay tuloy. Angat.
And here in the first, approaching 3 minutes played. Pass to Harden. Lots of room.
Uy,
He squares up and
grabe
sinks
naman
it.
yun.
It is so hard to contain him. He just seems to get it done however he has to do it.
Here's
Nice one.
a terrific shot on the
Angas.
turnaround.
Wala akong ambag sa team na to.
Great chances for themselves in this opening quarter.
And here in the first, about 3
Uy,
minutes in.
timeout daw.
And the Clippers call time here.
Paangas naman na ito, guys. So, kung bago pa lang kayo sa ating YouTube channel, guys, click nyo na po yung subscribe button. At kung nasa Facebook naman po kayo, click nyo po yung follow. No? Paangas na ito, guys. MC Lakers 5. Ito po yung pinaka,
Big
guys.
substitution here for the Clippers.
Box out na yan.
It's
Nice.
stolen.
Nice to tayo.
White block shot.
Nice
That's
one.
good.
Ay, score din uli ako. 4 points from sa akin.
The Clippers trail. Now here's Porter. Outside Leonard. Pass to Porter. Back to Leonard. Plenty of space.
Rebound. Nice one.
Good by
Ito.
the Clippers.
Sa akin.
Wide open like that, he'll rarely miss those.
And here's Russell.
Itong pinapasa sa akin. Ito ako.
6 on the shot clock. From deep three-point range.
Bam! Uy!
Here's Davis.
Sayang,
And
guys.
there's the bucket.
So hanggang dito na lang po, guys, yung video natin. No? So, kung nasa YouTube kayo, guys, click nyo po yung subscribe ko. Nasa Facebook page naman po, click nyo po yung follow na. So, kita-kits po tayo, guys. At God bless po sa ating lahat. At ingat po kayo.
And he banks in the
Mahabol pa nga ako. Nice one. Angas.
Here is Porter.
Okay, let's try something different.